comes to problems that you see in the economy and warning signs that you see, what are the major red flags that you see out there right now that could cost us or put us into a recession if we're not already in one, that we don't know about yet? Or what are some of those red flags that you see, internationally here in the U.S. That may cause us to have a major, volatility event or downturn in the market?
Well, I think there's several things. A lot of the smart money, if you will, is already saying that the recession is already here. We're just not recognizing it yet. And why do I say that? Well, the first thing is that just this last month was the first month that year-over-year auto sales went negative. And so a big part of, so 70% of the U.S. GDP is the consumer, right? And the biggest part, one of the biggest parts of the recovery in this last recessionary recovery or the cycle has been auto sales. So it started with the cash for clunkers, remember that? Okay, in the depths of the recession, and all of a sudden the government said, hey, we're gonna spend $1 billion. Well, they spent $1 billion in like a week. So then they said, okay, let's go back. Well, if a little bit is good, then more must be better. And so they spent $3 billion on that program, basically, and they did kickstart the auto industry. What that really did was kickstart the auto loan industry back in and got the banks lending again.